First, let us understand what is PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a graphical presentation program used to organize and present information. PowerPoint presentation consists of number of individual pages or slides. Slides may contain text, pictures, sound, videos, animation, and more objects that can be freely arranged. Once you open a new PowerPoint presentation, the screen appears like this. The top layer is called title bar, which shows the name of the presentation. The left portion is called slides. You can add, view multiple slides. The center part is the slide area where the actual slide is created and edited. You can add, edit and delete text, images, shapes and multimedia in this section. The bottom portion is called notes. This section allows you to add notes for the presentation. These notes will not be displayed on the screen during the presentation. These are just quick reference for the presenter. Next one is ribbon. The ribbon groups items that are most likely to use together. The ribbon contains three components. The first one is tabs, second one is groups, and the third one is comments. File tab. This tab opens the backstage view, which basically allows you to manage the file and settings in the PowerPoint. You can save presentations, open existing ones, and create new presentations based on blank or predefined templates. Now let us see how to save a presentation. Go to File tab, then click on Save. Select the folder where you want to save. You can rename the presentation here and then click on the Save button to save the presentation. Next, we will see how to open an existing presentation. Go to File tab, go to the folder and then select the required presentation and then click on Open. This will view your pre-saved presentation. You can edit, view and do anything else in this presentation now. If you want to close only the current presentation, then go to File tab, click on the Close command. This will close the current presentation. If you want to close all presentations, then go to File tab and then click on Exit command. This will close all your open presentations.